Wow, so bright. It is so bright. What?
What's up, everybody? Isami here, back again with another update. This is going to be number 10, and we are going to talk about a lot of things. Let's get started. What do you think about the new setup? I was watching the other day, update number 1, and look at the lighting. That was simply awful. Okay, let's start this update by reading some of your comments since our last update. Usman from someplace in the planet asks, will we see anything about the laser engraving? The other day I recorded with my Osmo Pocket. This is an amazing camera when it works. The other day didn't, and I recorded a few hours worth of footage that was out of focus. Now I have to re-record those clips again, and we will certainly talk about the laser engraving in future updates. He also asks if we are willing to charge a little extra to offer some engravings on the exterior of the capsule. We will talk all of that in that update. Stay tuned. He also appreciates the metric system. Those are great questions, Usman. Thank you for commenting. Our friend TS, Luikart, enjoys how I struggle making metric to imperial conversions. You're welcome. Our friend M from Switzerland, great to see you this week and amazingly cheery given the circumstances. Yes, we have good days and we have bad days. We try to record these videos only on our good days. When you say fee will be a limited run, it means that you are planning on new projects. Limited run means that we aren't sure what we will going to do after fulfilling this campaign. You know, our financial situation is not the best, and since we stopped taking subcontracting jobs, means that we aren't generating income right now. Things are going to get really tough. And our friend Javi, the only backer from Spain, really enjoyed the last update. Now let's talk about the things that have happened since our last update. We've finished laser engraving all the 120 capsules that we had, and they turned out great, and I didn't make a mistake, which is a very good thing, because making a mistake means that I have to remove that engraving, and removing that engraving is quite difficult because I have to do it manually. I had to put the capsule, the part that was messed up, and manually feed a drill bit until it reaches the bottom and remove just a fraction of material until the engraving disappears. That process alone takes much more time than engraving all 120 capsules, so I paid special attention not to make a mistake in that process. I hope in our future update, where I'm going to talk to you about the laser engraving, I can show you in more detail how that particular machine works, which is an amazing machine, and I can wait to talk you more about it. Now let's talk about hand finishing. This is by far the most important process of the whole campaign. It is what makes our capsules so special. The hand finishing is what sets these capsules apart. As you can see here, I have two capsules. This one is right out of the machine, the turning center, and this has been already hand finished. At close inspection, you can clearly see the difference. This is right out of the machine, and this is the hand finish. Look at the surface quality. Also, this chamfer right here, those edges that you see here, they feel amazing. And these, on the other hand, these are sharp. I can certainly feel those edges. The feed rate to achieve this surface finish is only 0.05 of a millimeter, which is oye Siri, 0,05 milímetros a pulgadas.
Me sale que equivale a
0,002
pulgadas.
Which is I've machined this outer face right here has been turned at 0.05 of a millimeter. The feed rate, a 500th of a millimeter. 500th? Yes, 500th. 500th of a millimeter per revolution, or 0.002 of an inch per revolution. As you can clearly see, the surface finish isn't bad, but the hand finish is day and night. I use two types of Scotch-Brite. This one right here, which is the red one. It is the hand pad 7447 Pro by 3M, and the other one is this one right here. It is the 7448 Pro, and it is the one that it is gray. This one right here is Corsair. Corsair is the right word? Corsair? Like the grades on the sandpaper. This is Corsair and this is finer. You will probably see that I start first with this one and then use this one. But this one, when it wears out, it becomes like this, which is even softer. And this is what I use in the final last step. This is almost like polishing. Scotch-Brite by 3M, and they work great. And also, by far, this process, I can get very tired. All my muscles in my back and in my right arm are sore because I have to push so hard the hand pad into the material to remove all these. Can you hear this? Can you hear this sound? To remove all these lines that the turning produces, I have to really push those pads into the material. I've set up the small lathe near to all the already machined capsules, and now I have to, with the Scotch-Brite, remove all the machining marks. Yesterday I made 29. My back hurts, my arm, my fingers. I got so tired that last night I was dreaming that I was falling asleep. In my dream. But the good news is that the ones that have been hand finished are already in their respective packaging, and we'll be able to ship them soon. Maybe. I don't know if this update is going live today or Friday or maybe tomorrow, but we are sending out the surveys because we are going to start shipping next week. Some of you will receive your fee before Christmas, and after we've finished shipping all the early bird rewards, we will then resume machining, but we expect that every one of you, well, every reward will be shipped, will be fulfilled before the 15th, next month, November. Also, we are a little bit concerned because the second wave of the COVID-19 is getting a little bit out of control. So maybe we're going to be like we were on April. We're not going to stop fulfilling this campaign, but maybe we have to take some measures. Maybe I need to stay in the workshop again, but fingers crossed, everything goes according to plan. Let's go!
Stop right there. You're not supposed to wear gloves when using lathe that can catch your gloves and pull your arm into the machine and rip your arm apart. That was a little dramatic, but it can happen. And I've seen people get sucked into the machine. No, I haven't seen that, really. I wear gloves because titanium sucks at dissipating heat, and it can get so hot. When I'm hand finishing it with Scotch-Brite, they will burn my fingers. And I have here a piece of foam that, like the one you're going to receive in your cases. And watch what happens to this foam insert when I approach it to a burning hot titanium capsule. Ouch. Oh. Did you know that titanium can be set on fire? Let me show you. Come, let me show you. This right here are the shavings that this turning center right here produces when I'm turning the outside diameter of your capsules. Watch this. Wow! It is so cool, right? Ow. Whoa! Whoa! Wow! So bright! It is so bright. What? Whoa! Wow, that was super bright. Where are you? I cannot see. That was so cool. The smoke detector is going to turn on. I'm going to stop this now. And rule number 2, never leave the chuck key in the chuck. Rule number 3, never tell anyone what you've seen here. Now, back to the video.
That was epic. I hope you've enjoyed that clip. It shows you all the steps that are involved in the hand finishing process. I hope this gives you an idea how important and how hard is that particular process. It is a good thing that I have to make these updates from time to time, because that allows me to be able to rest a little bit, because that process kills me. I get so tired. I can only make about 30 to 35 in a single day, and that day I end up absolutely destroyed. That's it for this update. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if so, give this video a big thumbs up to let me know that you've enjoyed it. It's right there below the subscribe button. Now hit it. I think I'll see you on the next one. Me despido. Adiós. In my new setup, I cannot touch the camera because it is so far. Also, don't forget to comment and talk to me. Okay, bye. See you.